Okay, today we are going to make some candles, some DIY candle making kit. This is a kit I got on Amazon for around $25. And it's got everything that you pretty much need to make candles. Okay, some of these natural wax. I'm not sure if it's bee or not, but these wax right here. Got some of these dots for the wick stickers, right? A thermometer, more wax. This is the pot to melt the wax in, okay? These are all the candle jars, all right? So there's a lot of them. There's a lot of equipment. These are the candle wicks. So these are the aromatherapy to put in the candle if you want scent. There's a lot of different scent: rose, sandalwood, lily, jasmine. Jasmine's really good, smells really good. And it comes with an instruction, step-by-step instruction on how to do it.
And there's also ocean.
Ocean? Oh, wow. That's fun. And you know what these are?
They're dyes.
These are dyes, yeah. So once you make the candle, you just drop one of these in there, and it'll dye it. So what else we have in here? That's pretty much it.
Sticks.
These are the wick stick. The wick stick. Funny, right?
Yeah.
So what happens once you have the candle made, you put the wick in, and then you have this to hold the wick while the candle cures and dries, not dries, but harden.
And there's also a mixer spoon.
A little mixer spoon. And yeah, that's the candle making kit. The kids and my wife is gonna have fun making this. So if you guys have any questions, comments, make sure you leave it on the comment below, okay? So my wife will be down here in just a second. All right, so as far as making candle instruction goes, step 1, center the wick to the bottom of the candle tin. Step 2 is to heat the wax. 4.8 ounce of wax, mix 2 cans. And then step 3 is add half of the dye block and stir it until it's fully blended if you want to dye it. And then step 4, if you want to add any aromatherapy. Step 5 is pour it into the tin can, and be careful that it's hot. And then after that, it's gonna be step 6, just waiting the 24 hours. So if you set it someplace cool, it might harden faster. So those are the steps. And I have my wife here, and she's gonna instruct the kids to do it. All right, you guys enjoy.
One, you get one of these. Yeah. And then
2, you grab one of
and then you get one of the wick.
these, and then
Get the wick.
we
Get one of these sticky.
one of these,
Put it in the middle.
put it in the
And
middle.
then now you take this part. And you put it in the middle.
It'll show the audience. Good job, Hello. That's step 1. So step 2 is gonna be heating the wax. Now, depending on how many tin cans you want to do, you can follow the instruction and make 2. I think we're gonna make a little more than that. So we're just gonna pour 1 bag in here, and whatever it makes. Looks like maybe 3 or 4. So we're gonna go ahead and melt this, and then we'll add the dye pack in there, and then we'll stir it up, and then we're gonna put the aromatherapy in it.
Step 2 is heat the wax in a double boiler so that way it doesn't burn.
That's the process. It is melting, looking good, slow and steady. And then we'll add the dye. All right, everything's all melted. And then what are we gonna do now?
We measure them.
The dye
All right, put the dye pack.
in here.
Okay.
All right.
147 is good enough.
All right,
Like that.
cool.
And now you stir.
Now you stir it.
Now you stir until it's fully blend.
Yep.
Oh, What kind of color is that? Okay, the color pack is melted, but hardly anything. So now we're gonna add essential oils. What are we doing?
Ocean.
The ocean?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna do the ocean aromatherapy multi-purpose oil. We're gonna do
Don't
half a
touch.
bottle.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I wanna see. I wanna see, Mom.
Ooh, it smells like the ocean. Ooh, it's waxy. Okay. And we are ready to pour.
Yeah, we're gonna do it on these ones. So.
Okay. It's hot, so kids don't touch. Go ahead and let your mom do it.
Okay. What?
That looks cool.
Alright.
This one.
Ooh, enough.
And leave mine back right here.
Alright, so now we wait 24 hours. And I'll see you guys back. Okay, and we are all done. It didn't have to wait 24 hours. It's already hardened. So when you're making your own candle like this, you gotta have this fancy candle kit at the end just to top it off, right? Because here you got the wick cutter. Alright, and the wicks are cut. Then you light it up, and then when you want to put it out, you go like this. I kind of prefer to just use the cap like that. That cuts off the oxygen and that turns it off right away. But if you want to get fancy, put that over it. Okay, I'm gonna light the candle. Smells really good. The ocean one smells awesome. Okay, and here I put out the candle with the candle extinguisher, and you could also put a cap over it that will cut the oxygen supply, and that will do the same thing. But overall, this was a really fun project. I really enjoy it. My family enjoy it, so I think it's fun for the kids. So yeah, try it out.